Hello friends. Today's adventure takes us to Fort Myers. Actually, we're going to go to Fort Myers Beach. We're going to spend the day with Paparoni and his wife Pauline, and hope you can join us today. It's Nina the Paparazzi.
Left, right.
Left. Very pretty. We're getting closer to Fort Myers Beach. Very pretty area around here.
The whale. Tunas.
And this is Estero Beach. Let's see if we can see the beach a little. Looks like a lot of new construction going on after the hurricane came by here and wiped out this area. You can tell. The new houses are very beautiful that they're rebuilding. But we're getting closer to Fort Myers Beach, where we'll be staying the night. Yes, 1 mile. We'll be staying at the Tropical Sands Resort. And we are almost there, in about half a mile. These look like existing pre-hurricane buildings.
Riviera Club.
And we have arrived. This is where we're staying. There's Paparoni. Hey, Papa.
I was over in this area about 20. I was at Cape Coral. Charlie and I were. I was over here for the state seniors tennis tournament.
Yeah.
Championship. Well, not championship. Tournament. We were there for what, 2 or 3 days.
Oh wow.
No, I did not win.
See all these trees?
Yeah.
That's from the storm.
Yep.
Yep.
Burned them.
When I was with the Florida Baptist Convention about 20 years ago,
Yeah.
we had a division called disaster relief, and all of us in management, when we had a hurricane, we all had to drop what we were doing and go help with disaster relief. My job, thankfully, was not doing anything physical. It was assigning the work to everybody else. But we had to come over here and at the Cape Coral area.
From where, Jerry?
You were in Jacksonville at the
Yeah, I
time?
was in Jacksonville.
Jackson. Okay.
I haven't seen any food establishments.
And here we are on Fort Myers Beach. And these are coconut trees here. And check out these coconuts. Isn't that awesome? There are many properties for sale here along the beach. And if you want to buy one, contact Fran. As you can see here, there used to be a house or something here. But I guess the hurricane took it. Tore it down, and now it's for sale. There's some guys fishing. I asked what kind of fish they catch, and they said catfish, snook, We said two others, but I couldn't remember the name.